Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Fix.
So they got no hot water, it's an Ultracom. Maybe that's the clue there. Okay, let's find out.
Now I'm going to fill the system up, and having said that, this is the trickiest filling loop I've ever come across. It just shows how easy all the rest are.
This pushes out, I'm screwed it. Okay, so what you do is, right, you push in there. Now this baby hasn't got the blue ones, so I'm gonna have to do it like this. So open it up, it's time to fill it up now, yeah. Let's switch it on, I think. No, it's slowly doing it, it shouldn't be jumping up that much. There you go. There you go. I like it 1.1. This is on 1.1.
Just like 1.1.
Can you test it out? This is on 1.1. Not this got pretty. Okay, close it. Nothing? Let's do this. Okay. Most likely this baby is faulty. Right, okay. Try again now. Oh no, wait 1 second. 1 second. Go for it.
I always take a few steps back when you put the demand on, just in case the boiler does boom on me.
Off here. Right. What do you think I'm gonna do? What we're gonna do is we're gonna check the domestic hot water one. I'm sure that is the one in there. There's nothing else here. Yep. If it's not this one, then what this can be? So, it's a turbine here. How do I get this to work? Is it okay inside there? Looks okay now, so. Right. I think that's faulty there. Can you see the rust marks on it? This one is. Can I get this chip out? Where's the other clip gone? There's a clip there. We're done now. Alright. Is it?
Is it a clip to it?
Yeah, where's it gone? Where's it gone? How's that one? That is. What it is. Which way around was it? That way? That way. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Put some more water into it and then we out of here. Yeah, it's just one bar. Anyways, fired up the boilers. Out here to let's check the temperature. So I can find them. The hot water wasn't working on this. It's all sorted now. It's all working fine. Birmingham boiler fix.